Man Productions.
There's a piece of brass wire I thought could have been a J-hook. A piece of tin to a can. It's a railroad spike that I'll clean up. Try to make something out of that probably. More metal. Another piece of horseshoe. Another spike. And another spike. Yes. Hello, welcome back to Metal Man Productions. I'm gonna do a really quick project. I think these are gonna be 2 Christmas ornaments if they turn out. These are 2 railroad spikes that I dug up in my last dig day. So I hope to open these up and make a couple of split crosses with them, and I'm gonna put a hole in the top of them to hang on a Christmas tree for an ornament. And I'll probably date them and put my maker's mark on them and all that good stuff. But before I put the part in front of the horse, I gotta get these open first. So I'm pretty sure this is wrought iron. I've cleaned it up, got all the mud off, and I can see the grain structure in the rusty metal. So the challenge with these is to open them up without cracking them. So I got to get them nice and hot, keep them orange, and get them open. If I can get them open, then we're in good shape. But I got about a 50% success rate on turning these into split crosses. So it's kind of a personal big deal for me when I'm able to pull it off. But yeah, the metal is just very, very eroded, and but I mean, yeah, why am I doing this? Because yeah, the erosion on the metal just looks awesome. It's almost like a wood texture, and I really like the way that looks. So I'm going to get these in the forge and hopefully get them opened up. So let's see how it goes. next I got to drill a hole at the top so the ornament hook can go in. And then I'm going to soak these in ferric chloride overnight to bring out some more of that grain. And then we're going to put them on the wire wheel, brush them up and oil them up, and they will be ready to go. Alright, so it's actually the next morning, and I haven't even gotten dressed yet. I just got out here and took them out of the ferric chloride. Still a little bit warm. I took them out of the ferric chloride and I cleaned up the edges with a really fine sanding belt. It's like a worn out 120. And I put it on the wire wheel. Got all the little rag and stuff polished off of it. Then I just heated it up with a propane torch and brought it to like almost like a golden heat. And then I just applied some beeswax, and the beeswax is still drying, and I'll buff that out when it's completely done. But I just want to bring you in here and show you some of this detail on why I like to do these. You can really kind of see that that grain and that wrought iron makes it look like a piece of wood. So there it is, quick little project out of some dug up wrought iron, or just iron. I don't know if it's wrought, but it's definitely iron. Railroad spikes. So I'm gonna shut you down, and I'll get you some final pictures, and we'll call this one done. So thanks for stopping by, and remember to check out Metal Man Productions on Etsy, where you might find something like this for sale. So if you're interested, check it out. If not, just check it out anyways, and just say you were there. And thanks for all your support, and we'll see you on the next one.